started, right?
Is it good?
I didn't get to the filling thing.
You're welcome.
We're so independent.
I've been independent.
Oh, I see him. Don't get hurt.
Do you remember? You don't even remember what it is? Whoa, yeah, definitely that. I'm sending that to her. She says she's a pro, even though she's only been doing it for 10 years.
Only 11.
Oh yeah, okay, I can do it now. So, okay, it's like a pendulum, like. Okay.
Great job. Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah,
It's the wrong
sure.
side. It's like this.
It looks good.
It's
You're really tough. We're gonna go on a sunrise walk. In my hair.
Everybody's getting along.
I know, this is fabulous. Yeah, because he's... Searching, and that's fresh pond.
There's so many. There's like,
Oh my god, the little head popping in. Big boy. Yeah. Hi. Oh, sweetie.
Wild ones like that, you know, to shoot a line from one boat to another. Anyway. I want to direct your attention.
might be good actually to do that because I never do that, but it's probably maybe a better idea to get mixed up better.
That's on 24/7. You just can't really see it during the day. That other lake off to the right, when it was built in that spot, there was 300 feet of land in front of it.
We on the lights.
Couple hundred year old beds, they're short.
my god. This is literally what the ocean always looks like in my head. Don't get any closer. Oh my god, I would not get on a boat in this weather even if they were running. Do what? It's always a long doorway. That's the play with mommy.